Hello, in front of me I've got Realme Pad. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning enter Google app, tap more and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant and voice match. Enable this function. And now go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
J'ai trouvé quelques établissements correspondants à Gros près de vous.
Talk to me in English.
To change the language that we talk in, tap Change Language.
What's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Krakow, it'll be foggy, with a high of 3 and a low of 2.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.